Want a kitchen that basically runs itself? These modern Amazon gadgets handle the chopping, stirring, cleaning, and more so, you can relax while dinner practically makes itself. From smart tools to sleek time savers, they're all about effortless cooking and style. All the links are waiting for you in the description below! Tired of eggs rolling around or taking up too much fridge space? This smart 4-tier egg holder keeps everything neat and easy to grab. Its slanted design automatically rolls the next egg forward. No lifting, no searching. The raised sides keep them safe from cracks, while the slim shape saves precious shelf space. It's sturdy, one piece, and ready to use right out of the box, simple and mess-free. Now this is breakfast on turbo mode. This automatic omelets maker cracks, separates, and cooks eggs all by itself. No mess, no shells, no waiting. In just 28 seconds per egg, you get perfectly cooked omelets every time. The touchscreen makes it simple for anyone to use, with presets for your preferred doneness. Built from durable stainless steel, it's fast, clean, and made to keep up with busy kitchens. Harvesting just got way easier. These silicone thumb knives let you pick fruits, veggies, or trim plants with one hand fast and clean. The stainless steel blade slices smoothly, while the soft silicone fits comfortably around your finger. No need for bulky tools or scissors when you can just pinch and snip. They're easy to clean, come with a safety cover, and make gardening surprisingly fun. Keeping baby bottles clean shouldn't feel like a chore. This 5-in-1 cleaning set gives you everything you need in one compact kit. Nylon and silicone brushes for bottles, plus tools for straws, nipples, and caps. The BPA-free materials are safe and gentle, but tough on residue. Each brush fits perfectly where your hands can't reach. It's practical, easy to use, and keeps every feeding time fresh and worry-free. Cutting fresh meat just got a serious upgrade. This manual meat slicer lets you slice, shred, or cube beef, chicken, or pork in seconds, all while keeping the flavor and texture intact. Its stainless steel blades glide smoothly, giving you even cuts for barbecues, stir-fries, or hot pots. The thickness adjusts with a simple switch, and cleanup's a breeze with removable parts. Safe, compact, and built for precision cooking. This little gadget is like having 5 kitchen helpers in one. It chops, slices, peels, stirs, and even beats eggs all with the press of a button. The open feed port means you can drop in veggies like peppers or celery without stopping to cut them first. Cleanup's easy too. Just add soap and press the button to rinse. Compact, quick, and perfect for effortless meal prep. Peeling tiny fruits or garlic cloves doesn't have to take forever. This automatic peeler does it all for you fast, clean, and hands-free. Its high-speed motor removes skins in seconds while keeping every bit of pulp intact. The rechargeable design means you can use it anywhere, no cords attached. Compact and durable, it's a clever little helper that turns prep time into playtime. Cutting watermelon just got a whole lot cleaner and cooler. This 2-in-1 slicer and fork combo lets you slice perfect cubes with one smooth push, then scoop them up right away. No mess, no dripping juice everywhere. Made of durable stainless steel, it's safe, sturdy, and easy to wash. Lightweight and portable, it's the perfect summer gadget for picnics, parties, or backyard snacks. No more soggy sleeves or splash counters while washing dishes. This upgraded silicone splash guard keeps water exactly where it belongs inside the sink. Its ultra-wide design covers more space, giving you a dry, comfortable work area. The flexible silicone grips your countertop securely without suction cups or sticky residue. Easy to clean, sleek, and practicality's the simple fix every kitchen sink has been waiting for. Tired of spending forever threading meat onto skewers? This clever kebab maker box handles the hard part for you. Just layer in your ingredients, close the lid, and slice through the guide slots to create up to 49 skewers in seconds. Perfect for BBQs, meal prep, or parties. It works great with meat, fruits, or veggies. Easy to use, easy to clean, and ready to impress your grill crew. Cutting pineapples just got way easier. This clever stainless steel tool peels, cores, and slices your pineapple in seconds. No more sticky mess or wasted fruit. It twists smoothly through the core, leaving you with perfect rings or ready-to-eat chunks. The best part? It keeps the outer shell intact, so you can use it as a fun serving bowl. Fast, neat, and seriously satisfying. Meet the ultimate kitchen organizer for your grains, cereals, and dry foods. This 6-grid rotating dispenser keeps everything fresh, airtight, and perfectly portioned. With a simple press, it releases just the right amount, no scoops or spills. The clear design lets you see what's running low, while the 360-degree base spins smoothly so you can grab what you need fast. Sleek, space-saving, and surprisingly fun to use. Prepping veggies doesn't have to feel like a chore. This 12-in-1 chopper handles slicing, dicing, shredding, and grating, all in one compact setup. Just press down and watch onions, carrots, or cucumbers turn into perfectly even pieces in seconds. The built-in container keeps your counter clean, while the non-slip base holds everything steady. Easy to clean, quick to use, and a total game changer for meal prep. Tight jar lids don't stand a chance against this smart under-cabinet opener. It mounts neatly out of sight, ready whenever you need into batteries. No clutter, no slipping. Just twist, and the stainless steel teeth grip the lid firmly so it opens effortlessly, even for weak hands or arthritis sufferers. Strong, durable, and always within reach, it turns tricky jars into a one-hand, easy task. Why clutter your drawer with a dozen spoons when 2 can do it all? These adjustable measuring spoons slide smoothly to give you the exact amount you need, no guessing, no mixing up sizes. Just move the lever, lock it in place, and scoop. Made from durable zinc alloy, they're sturdy, sleek, and easy to clean. Perfect for anyone who loves precise baking without the extra mess. Cleaning fish doesn't have to be a messy chore anymore. This cordless electric fish scaler does the hard work for you with its powerful motor, spinning up to 6,000 revolutions per minute. It comes with 2 interchangeable cutter heads to handle all kinds of fish, big or small. The rechargeable battery runs for hours, so you can clean a full catch on one charge. Waterproof, efficient, and built for serious anglers. Tired of digging through messy spice drawers? This rotating spice rack keeps everything neatly in view with a smooth 360-degree spin. It holds 18 glass jars with airtight lids, keeping your spices fresh and easy to find. Each jar has precise holes for perfect seasoning control, no spills or clumps. Plus, it comes with labels, a funnel, and a pen to keep things extra organized. Stylish, compact, and super practical. Cluttered countertops? This wall-mounted utensil holder keeps everything clean, dry, and off your workspace. It's perfect for storing chopsticks, forks, or spoons all neatly organized behind a dust-proof lid. The hollow drain base lets water escape, so your utensils dry naturally without mess. No drilling needed, just mount and go. Ever wish your sauces stirred themselves? This automatic pan stirrer does exactly that. Just drop it in your pot, hit a button, and it handles the job while you multitask. With 3 speed settings and LED indicators, it keeps soups and gravies perfectly smooth without any effort. The legs are heat resistant and dishwasher safe, so cleanup's easy too. Hands-free cooking just got a serious upgrade. Doing the dishes just got way easier. This roll-up drying rack fits right over your sink, giving you extra space without taking any away. You can dry plates, rinse veggies, or even use it as a cooling rack for hot pans. Made from stainless steel with non-slip silicone edges, it's sturdy, heat-resistant, and super easy to clean. When you're done, just roll it up and tuck it away, simple as that. Here's a sleek way to keep your kitchen tools within reach. This magnetic knife strip uses strong hidden magnets beneath smooth acacia wood to hold your knives securely in place. No cluttered drawers, no rummaging, just grab what you need. It installs easily with screws or adhesive, depending on your wall. You can even use it for tools, keys, or utensils. Simple, safe, and stylish organization right where you need it. Fresh corn without the mess? Yes, please. This clever little tool strips kernels right off the cob in seconds. Just twist, push, and you're done. The sharp stainless steel blades are safely tucked inside, so even kids can help in the kitchen. It's compact enough to store anywhere and cleans up easily in the dishwasher. Perfect for salads, soups, or whenever you crave that fresh corn flavor. Say goodbye to tearing your toast with cold butter. This 3-in-1 butter spreader glides, curls, and cuts all in one go. The tiny holes along the blade create soft butter curls that spread evenly, while the serrated edge slices through bread or cheese with ease. It's made from rust-resistant stainless steel and feels solid in your hand. Safe, smooth, and perfect for your morning routine. Breakfast just got way more fun. This 3-in-1 breakfast station lets you brew coffee, toast bread, and cook eggs or pancakes all at once. The non-stick griddle handles bacon and omelets with ease, while the toaster oven crisps up 4 slices perfectly. A built-in coffee maker brews your morning cup as everything cooks. Compact, retro, and practicality's your all-in-one morning shortcut. Love loose-leaf tea? This long-handled tea infuser makes brewing effortless. Just scoop your tea, twist it closed, and dip it in hot water. The fine mesh keeps every leaf contained while letting flavor flow freely. The extended handle doubles as a stirrer, so you can mix and steep at the same time. Made of durable stainless steel, it's reusable, easy to clean, and perfect for any tea lover's daily ritual. Chopping herbs just got way faster. These clever herb scissors have 5 sharp stainless steel blades that slice fresh herbs in seconds, no knife or cutting board needed. The non-slip rubber handles keep your grip steady, and the included cover doubles as a cleaning comb to clear out leftover bits safely. Toss them in the dishwasher when you're done. Quick, easy, and perfect for everyday cooking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.